Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize affiliate marketing with Constant Contact, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by signing up for a Constant Contact account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Begin by creating a new email campaign by clicking on the email option. Choose a campaign type that suits your affiliate marketing strategy. Select a template that resonates with your brand style and message. Customize the email template by adding your branding elements, such as your logo. Craft a compelling subject line that grabs attention and encourages opens. In the body of the email, introduce the affiliate products you want to promote. Clearly describe the benefits of each product to your audience. Incorporate your affiliate links strategically within the content. Make sure to use clear call to action buttons to guide readers. Utilize images and visuals to enhance the appeal of your email. Segment your email list based on user preferences for better targeting. Schedule your email campaign timing based on when your audience is most active. After sending, monitor the email performance through Constant Contact's analytics dashboard. Analyze open rates, click rates, and conversions to understand engagement. Use A/B testing on different email elements to optimize future campaigns. Adjust your strategy based on insights gathered from analytics data. Implement feedback to continually improve your affiliate marketing efforts. Share valuable content in addition to promotional emails to build trust. Maintain engagement by following up with your audience regularly. This approach will help maximize your affiliate marketing potential using Constant Contact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.